Hey there again, guys. So today I want to answer a question I get asked a lot, and it's how many clicks do I wait for until I adjust my bids? Now this ties up to the previous video I published a couple of days ago, and it covered the campaign objectives. It basically went over the three types of campaign objectives. They are launch, break even, and profit. Now, to answer the question of how many clicks you need before you start adjusting bids, knowing the campaign objective makes it a lot easier. So you will need to know your target ACOS. Now, the target ACOS is a number that you pick as a seller, and that number needs to be lower than your profit margin. So as an example, if your profit margin is 40%, then you might pick 30% as your target ACOS. Now, looking at a keyword, if the keyword is at 40% ACOS, I would wait a minimum, a range between 6 to 10 clicks before I would adjust the bid. Okay? I hope this all makes sense to you guys. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, or anything like that,